voice sounds slow. That's why I can't hear.
Is your sound soft?
Yes.
Okay. It's okay. What's your name?
Yes. Aarohi.
Aarohi. That's a nice name. Hey,
What is
nice to
your
meet
name?
you. My name is Teacher Sam. Can you say Teacher
Nice to
Sam?
meet you. Teacher Sam. Wise.
That's yes, you can say Teacher Samwise, or you can just say Teacher Sam.
You write, okay? You write on the chat box.
You want me to write? What do you
Yes,
want me to write?
On the chat box, Rook.
But
I am Rook.
what would you like me to write, Aarohi? Like
Sam,
this?
Your name. Right.
Teacher Sam. There you go. Do you see it? Hey, Aarohi. And Aarohi, can you tell me how old are you?
5.
And you speak English so nicely. There we go. A nice job. So you can type nicely. And you're 5. What? And you speak English so nicely. Who taught you to speak English like that?
Yes, of course.
Who taught you?
I am 5 years old. Something I wrote 5.
Aarohi, who taught you to speak English so nicely? Your brain. Okay, I got it. Your brain. My brain. Okay, very good. And where are you from, Aarohi? Where do you live?
India.
India. Okay. All right. Are you ready for your lesson today, Aarohi?
Yes.
Yes. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Before we begin, can you tell me, do you have brothers and sisters?
I have small little sisters. 6 months.
Small. Oh my gosh, she's tiny. She's a baby. Hey, a baby. Okay. All right. So you are the older sister.
Oldest?
Yes. Are you the oldest?
I am 5 years old.
Yes.
Sister is
6 months. Okay, I got it. So are you ready to visit a new place today?
Yeah.
Yes, and we're going to be talking about emotions, like things that make you happy, things that make you sad, things that make you angry, all that kind of stuff, okay?
Okay.
All right, so it says make a guess. What do you think is happening? Can you read with me?
Yes. The sun is very bright. It is very hot. Sammy needs to drink water and cool down.
He needs to cool down. You read so nicely. Hey, I'm going to give you another star just for reading so nice. Hey, how many stars do you have? 2. And every time you do a good job, I'm going to give you another one. Okay. Oh no, what's wrong?
If we help people, they might give us clues or help fix the balloon.
Well done. Good reading.
I am tell you something. I have a big school named Villa High School, and this one practice in Cambly.
Oh, do you practice Cambly on there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so you get 2 lessons of Cambly every day?
Yes.
You're so lucky.
They are bored. Their class is not fun.
What is bored?
Bored means? And this boy is very sleepy, willing.
It's very sleepy. That's what happens when you get bored. You just go, okay? Right? Okay, and these ones?
Excited playing in is fun.
Yes. Okay, so they are not bored. They are excited.
Yes, in Amazon I am bringing some slime. I like slime.
You buying some slime? Oh, so that won't make you bored, right?
So stretchy.
It's so stretchy. You're gonna get all different colors also, hey? What colors did you get?
Rainbow.
That's so nice. If I see you again, I want to see your rainbow slime, okay? All right, let's keep reading. Let's read. He is
He is bored.
worried.
He is worried that he will be late.
So he's worried. He's like, oh no, something's going to go bad. I'm going to be late. I don't want
Yeah.
to be late. So he's worried.
Yes.
Okay. All right, last one. Almost the
Last
last
one.
one.
Sorry.
She is. That's fine.
She is unhappy because she dropped her ice cream.
She dropped her ice cream. Can you say this word again, Aarohi?
Yes, she is unhappy because she dropped it. Dropped it.
Not dropped it. Who told you dropped it? You want to go like this. One word, because you don't want to go dropped, because then that's two
Dropped
chins,
it.
right? That's
Dropped
wrong. You only want to
it.
do one chin. So you want to go dropped.
Dropped.
Yes. Like that.
Dropped
Perfect.
it.
No. Dropped.
Dropped. Okay.
Okay.
Why there
Let's-
has P-E-D?
Because it's the past, right? And PED
Okay.
is they just add another P.
That's why it's 10. 6.
Good. And this one?
He feels
Angry.
angry.
Good. And?
He feels happy. Yay!
All right. And you know what feels means, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's how you are feeling. Like now, do you feel happy or angry or sick?
I am happy and bored.
Why are you bored? That upsets me.
Because
We're going to go to Sammy's Adventures now. We're going to get a clue and then you won't be bored anymore.
No.
Why are you bored?
Because my sister feels angry.
But then it doesn't mean you're bored.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're bored, remember, we did bored.
And I am bored.
But you are not bored. Remember, we did bored, and bored is like, yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Huh? That's bored. Okay.
Ma'am.
All right, let's do this one. The rain.
The rain makes her sad. She is very sad because of the rain.
Okay, she is sad because of the rain. So it makes her sad. Okay. Oh, what does this say? This is me also. Pasta.
Yes. Pasta makes me happy. Makes him happy. He is happy because he is eating pasta.
Oh my gosh.
Maggie pasta and
I love pasta too. It's my favorite.
I
want to eat it.
My
I wanna go.
favorite pasta is cheese pasta and mayonnaise pasta. That's very tasty.
Is it? And can you go with the pasta?
Macaroni. Like macaroni.
I also like all the pasta. All right, so he's happy because he's eating pasta, right? So it makes him happy.
Okay.
Okay. Can you help to spell the word?
Yes.
What do you think this one is?
Like this.
What do you think this one is, hey Aarohi? Feel. Just the L.
Like
Good. Nice. What about this one?
This one.
The one with the boy jumping.
I am so excited.
So what letter is missing? Excited.
Excited. Thank you. This is for you. Do you like her dress? What do you think she is dressed for?
Do you like her dress, Aarohi?
Let's do like this.
She is. But do you like her dress? I like her dress.
Me too. I like her dress.
And what do you think she's dressed for?
There has like Superman.
She does have a cape. It's called a cape.
A cape like Superman.
Exactly. Why do you think she's dressed like this?
Because there has puja.
Okay, all right. So we're in India again. We can't be in India. We've been to India. So I'm going to make a face for each new word, okay? And you are going to guess which word that I am doing, okay? This is how we're going to go. So, how do I feel?
Excited.
Yes.
Feel.
Yes.
Worried.
Worried. Yes. Good job.
Bored.
Yes.
Unhappy.
Unhappy. Good job. Look, clue number 2.
Okay, fantastic. Take this. Do you remember what this animal is called? How big is this animal? Elephant.
It's an elephant. And how big is this animal? Very big? Very big. Humongous.
So fast.
But it is
a toy elephant. The elephant is our national animal.
Animal. Good job. You read so well. National animal. Okay. So now we need to decide how these people feel. Okay. These 4 friends all like different things. Okay. I'm going to give you your star if we keep reading so nicely like this. That was great. So she says, thank you. Please take this.
Thank you. Please take this. What do you think is in it? Do you think it tastes good?
What is in it? Is it noodles?
Some prawn, small prawn, and some
noodles?
chopstick, and some noodles, vegetable.
Okay, let's have a look.
And this one green onion.
Okay, let's read. It is
one of our national dishes called pad
thai.
Pad thai. Pad thai. It has noodles,
peanuts.
Peanuts.
Yeah. Make you feel, Aarohi?
Makes me excited. Soccer makes me very tired. I don't like soccer.
Okay, that's fine. You don't have to. What about cookies?
I like cookies. But
how do they make you feel? Do they make you feel happy?
I like.
And what about the snow? How does the snow make you feel?
Snow make me feel excited.
What about rain?
Rain makes me very sad.
And what about a roller coaster?
Roller coaster makes me scary.
Makes me scared. Okay. And what about dogs?
Dogs scare me too. You forget.
That's not nice. I haven't forgotten. I'm waiting. We still have 3 minutes. Look, amazing. This is your last clue.
Amazing, wonderful. This is for you. Do you know other flags what have the same colors?
What other flags have the same colors?
Is your country made or African?
No, this is not my country. But I do know what country it is. Should we see? It is
our flag It has 5 speeds.
Stripes.
Stripes. It is red, blue, and white.
Okay. So now you have all your clues, Aarohi. All right. I will come back to this, right?
Yes. Now this one till. Here are some questions to get your
You started.
start. What things make you happy? Why?
So let's answer that. What makes you happy, Aarohi? And what makes me sad?
My dog makes me happy.
There you go. And what makes you sad?
My segment make
You what?
my insect make me sad.
Oh, so when there's insects, you get sad. All right. We are in
Where is
Thailand.
Thailand. I like Thailand.
Thailand.
Has
Okay.
sari.
Aarohi, the time is finished. It was nice to